At first glance, this looks like just another small camper. But inside, you'll find 6 beds, a household air conditioner, solar power, a huge garage, and one of the smartest space-saving interiors ever designed. This is the Wohn R2B. Built on Toyota's trusted Camroad chassis, this Japanese motorhome proves that smart engineering can completely change what a compact RV is capable of. Despite measuring less than 5 meters long, it packs enough features to make it feel like a small apartment on wheels. And once you see how every inch has been used, you'll understand why this motorhome has become one of the most popular family campers in Japan. The first thing you'll notice is its classic cabover design. Instead of leaving empty space above the driver's cabin, Towa Motors transformed that area into one of the largest sleeping spaces inside the vehicle. The aerodynamic front section isn't just for looks either. Its sloped design helps reduce wind resistance while improving highway stability, making long-distance travel quieter and more comfortable. Depending on the version, buyers can choose between 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive models. Most versions come equipped with Toyota's reliable 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, producing smooth power and excellent fuel efficiency for long-distance travel. One of the biggest engineering achievements is its size. At just 4.99 meters long, around 2.1 meters wide, and 2.86 meters high, the Wohn R2B was intentionally designed to stay under Japan's 5-meter parking limit. That means it fits into many parking spaces where larger motorhomes simply can't go. For anyone traveling through crowded cities or narrow mountain roads, this becomes a huge advantage. Even though it's compact outside, the interior tells a completely different story. Open the entrance door and you're immediately surprised by how spacious everything feels. Instead of filling the cabin with bulky furniture, the designers kept a straight central walkway running from the front all the way to the rear. That simple decision completely changes the feeling inside. Moving around is easy, even when several people are traveling together. The main living area sits directly beside the entrance. Here you'll find a comfortable face-to-face dinette with seating for multiple passengers. This becomes the social center of the motorhome where families can eat meals, play games, work on laptops, or simply relax after a day of driving. The table itself is large enough for family dinners, but it also serves another purpose. Within minutes it lowers into position while the seat cushions rearrange to create another sleeping area measuring approximately 90 by 182 centimeters. It's a simple transformation, but it significantly increases the camper's sleeping capacity. One clever feature many people overlook is the expandable lounge configuration. An additional floor cushion fits into the entrance step area, creating an L-shaped sofa that allows even more people to gather comfortably. It's a small detail that makes the interior feel far more like a real living room than a traditional camper. Along the window, molded shelves include built-in drink holders and storage areas. Rather than wasting wall space, every surface has been designed with a purpose. Across from the dinette sits the kitchen, and despite its compact footprint, it offers almost everything needed for serious cooking. The stainless steel sink is surprisingly deep, making dishwashing much easier than you'd expect inside a compact RV. The faucet isn't fixed either. It pulls out on an extendable hose, allowing it to reach outside the side window. Beside the sink is a fold-up countertop extension that instantly increases food preparation space whenever needed. Above the countertop sits a built-in microwave, allowing travelers to prepare meals quickly whether they're camping overnight or simply taking a break during a long journey. The kitchen also includes a 70-liter refrigerator with dual opening access, making it convenient regardless of where you're standing inside the cabin. Now let's move toward one of the Wohn R2B's biggest selling points, its sleeping arrangements. This model provides permanent sleeping spaces. Above the driver's cabin is an enormous pull-out overcab bed measuring approximately 193 centimeters wide by 175 centimeters deep. That's large enough for 2 adults to sleep comfortably. Safety netting surrounds the sleeping area to prevent accidental falls, making it equally suitable for children. At the rear you'll find the feature that gives the R2B its name, the permanent rear bunk beds. 2 full-length single bunks are stacked one above the other, each measuring around 80 by 193 centimeters. Since they're always ready to use, nobody needs to rearrange furniture before going to sleep. Each bunk includes its own reading light, privacy curtain, storage shelf, and charging area. These individual touches give each occupant a private personal space instead of feeling like everyone is sleeping in one shared room. Even more impressive, the mattresses can be completely removed. Take out the lower mattress and the area transforms into a secure children's play space or even a comfortable sleeping area for family pets. When you combine the overcab bed, rear bunk beds, and convertible dinette bed, the Wohn R2B comfortably sleeps up to 6 people while seating 7 passengers during travel. That level of flexibility is one reason families love this layout. Just beside the bunk beds sits another surprisingly useful feature, a fully enclosed multi-purpose room. Instead of permanently installing a bathroom that consumes valuable living space, Towa Motors created a waterproof utility room that owners can customize according to their needs. Many travelers use it to store a portable cassette toilet. Others use it as a changing room after swimming or hiking. Winter campers often use it for drying ski equipment or wet clothing. Because it's waterproof, cleaning is easy, and the flexibility makes it useful year-round rather than serving only one purpose. Storage throughout the Wohn R2B is another area where thoughtful engineering becomes obvious. Above nearly every window are overhead lockers extending around the cabin perimeter. These cabinets easily store clothing, bedding, towels, and lightweight travel items without reducing headroom. The kitchen features multiple cabinets and drawers specifically sized for cookware, dishes, and food supplies. Integrated storage pockets beside each bunk hold phones, books, eyeglasses, and personal items within easy reach. The Wohn takes a different approach. It comes equipped with a full household-style inverter air conditioner, capable of delivering much stronger cooling performance. Powering these appliances requires an advanced electrical system, and that's exactly what Towa Motors provides. Modern versions use CTEK's intelligent 5-stage charging technology combined with SmartPass energy management. While driving, the alternator efficiently charges the onboard battery bank without overloading the electrical system. Outside, functionality continues everywhere you look. A manual 3-meter Thule side awning extends from the entrance side, instantly creating a shaded outdoor living area. Whether you're eating lunch, relaxing with friends, or escaping the midday sun, this covered patio greatly expands the usable living space. And after seeing everything packed into this compact design, it's hard not to appreciate just how much thoughtful engineering Towa Motors managed to fit into a vehicle that's shorter than many family SUVs with trailers. If you're looking for proof that size doesn't always determine capability, the Wohn R2B might be one of the strongest examples ever built.